Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something crucial, your health. We're all guilty of bad habits, but some mistakes can seriously sabotage our well-being without us even realizing it. So buckle up because we're about to expose 7 common health blunders you might be making and more importantly, how to fix them. Get ready to feel empowered to take control of your health. Let's talk about breakfast, often dubbed the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. Breakfast is the first meal you consume after a long night of fasting, and it sets the tone for your entire day. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your body and mind for the challenges ahead. Skipping breakfast might seem like a quick way to save time or cut calories, but trust me, it's a shortcut to nowhere good. When you skip breakfast, you're essentially running on empty, and that can lead to a host of problems. You might feel sluggish, irritable, and find it hard to concentrate. Plus, skipping breakfast can actually lead to weight gain because you're more likely to overeat later in the day. When you wake up, your body is running on empty after a night of fasting. Your blood sugar levels are low, and your brain and muscles need fuel to get going. That's where breakfast comes in. It's like giving your body a jump start, providing the energy and nutrients it needs to function properly. Breakfast is like that initial spark that ignites your metabolism and fuels you for the day ahead. A good breakfast can help you feel more alert, improve your mood, and even boost your metabolism. It's like putting the right kind of fuel in your car. It makes everything run more smoothly. Think of it like this. Your metabolism is like a car engine. Just as a car needs fuel to run, your body needs food to function. Without it, you're not going to get very far. You wouldn't start a road trip with an empty tank, would you? Of course not. You'd make sure your car is filled up and ready to go. The same principle applies to your body. Starting your day without breakfast is like trying to drive on an empty tank. You're bound to run into trouble. Skipping breakfast can lead to energy crashes, difficulty concentrating, and even overeating later in the day. When you don't eat in the morning, you're more likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overindulge at lunch because your body is trying to make up for the missed calories. So, make time for a nutritious breakfast that includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients will help keep you full and satisfied, provide a steady release of energy, and support overall health. Think eggs, whole grains, fruits, nuts, and yogurt. These are all great options to start your day off right. Your body will thank you. Not only will you feel more energized and focused, but you'll also be setting yourself up for better health in the long run. So, rise and shine with a hearty breakfast and give your body the fuel it needs to conquer the day. We've all heard it a million times, drink more water. But have you ever stopped to think about why this advice is so crucial? Water is not just a thirst quencher, it's a life sustainer. But honestly, there's a reason why this advice is repeated so often. It's vital. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and every single cell, tissue, and organ in our body needs water to function properly. Water is essential for almost every bodily function. From aiding digestion to lubricating joints, water is the unsung hero of our daily lives. It helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients, flushes out toxins, and maintains the balance of bodily fluids. Imagine your body as a complex machine. Water is the oil that keeps it running smoothly and keeps our organs functioning properly. Without adequate water intake, our organs can start to malfunction, leading to a cascade of health issues. Dehydration, on the other hand, can lead to fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and a general sense of malaise. It's like trying to run a car on an empty tank, and even more serious complications in severe cases. Chronic dehydration can lead to kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even impaired cognitive function. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day, and make a conscious effort to sip on it regularly. This simple habit can make a world of difference in how you feel and function. If you're not a fan of plain water, try adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or even berries. These natural flavors can make drinking water more enjoyable and add a touch of excitement to your hydration routine, or mint for a refreshing twist. Infused water not only tastes great but also provides additional nutrients and antioxidants. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do for your health. So make water your best friend and see the positive changes it brings to your life. Cheers to good health and hydration. Pain is our body's way of signaling that something is wrong. It acts as an alert system telling us to pay attention to a specific area that might need care or rest. Ignoring these signals can lead to more serious issues down the line. And while painkillers can provide much-needed relief from aches and pains, overusing them can have serious consequences. Painkillers, especially when taken frequently, can lead to a range of health problems. They are designed for short-term relief, not long-term use. Relying too heavily on pain medication can mask underlying health issues, lead to dependence, and even cause damage to organs like the liver and kidneys. Over time, the body can build a tolerance, requiring higher doses to achieve the same effect, which increases the risk of side effects and complications. Instead of reaching for the pill bottle at the first sign of discomfort, consider alternative pain management techniques like hot or cold therapy, massage, or gentle stretching. These methods can be effective in reducing pain and promoting healing without the risks associated with long-term medication use. If your pain is persistent or severe, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the root cause and explore appropriate treatment options. A doctor can help identify the underlying issue and recommend a comprehensive treatment plan that may include physical therapy, lifestyle changes, or other interventions. Remember, addressing the source of the pain is always better than simply masking the symptoms. By understanding and treating the root cause, you can achieve long-term relief and improve your overall quality of life. Pain management is about finding the right balance and using medications wisely only when truly necessary. Chapter 4. Mental health matters, don't ignore it. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our mental well-being. But just like our physical health, mental health is equally important. Ignoring signs of stress, anxiety, or depression can have serious consequences for our overall health and quality of life. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if you're struggling. Therapists and counselors are there to provide support and guidance. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Make time for self-care activities that nourish your mind, whether it's meditation, spending time in nature, pursuing a hobby, or connecting with loved ones. Taking care of your mental health is an investment in your overall well-being. Chapter 5. Posture perfect, your back will thank you. Slouching might seem comfortable in the moment, but over time, poor posture can wreak havoc on your body. From chronic back pain and headaches to digestive issues and even difficulty breathing, the consequences of bad posture are far-reaching. Practice these posture pointers. Keep your shoulders relaxed and back, your head level, and your feet flat on the floor. When standing, distribute your weight evenly on both feet. And invest in an ergonomic chair and adjust your workstation to promote good posture. Remember, maintaining good posture is an ongoing effort, but the benefits for your long-term health are well worth it. Chapter 6. Sleep, the ultimate recharge. In our always-on society, sleep is often sacrificed, but skimping on sleep is like running your body on fumes. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. During sleep, our bodies repair tissues, consolidate memories, and release essential hormones. Chronic sleep deprivation can increase the risk of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and even weaken our immune system. Make sleep a priority by establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your body and mind will thank you. Chapter 7. Junk food. Enjoy in moderation, not excess. Let's be real, we all enjoy the occasional indulgence. But when junk food becomes a staple in our diet, it's time to reevaluate our choices. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including weight gain, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Focus on incorporating whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients and fiber that keep our bodies functioning optimally. Remember, food is fuel. Choose wisely to nourish your body from the inside out. Outro, your health journey starts now. So there you have it. 7 common health mistakes you can easily avoid. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Listen to your body, nourish it with healthy choices, and don't be afraid to seek professional guidance when needed. Your health is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction.